We shut down March 20th. We were one of the first organizations to cease operations. And since that time, we really have only had one or two very, very small things that we've done. They've been very limited audiences and audiences that we can actually control. And the participants, basically we've never had more than 40 people in the building at any given time when we've been working on the RiverCenter side of the facility. All of our dates have either been canceled. We've had 3 hard cancellations, and then others have been moved, and they get moved, to later in the year and earlier into next season. And now the dates are getting moved even into 2022 now. So we're essentially closed for any major public events until end of February, if that, probably into April and May of next year. It's been pretty drastic for us. We cut our budget by about 2/3, really about 75% to tell you the truth. And we did have to cut our staff in half, either through furloughs or layoffs. And that was not an easy thing to do. In this business, you have people that have very, very narrow specific skill sets. We are a close community. We like each other. We're a family. And when we have to send people away or not see people for an extended period of time, that's a pretty devastating impact because what we do in the theater is a collaborative effort. It's a collaborative work. We need to talk to one another. It's a creative environment. And when you disrupt that, it doesn't always happen over video conferencing and over the telephone. So that's been a pretty drastic impact for us as well. We did go into an austerity budget with RiverCenter. We cut back on all memberships, any extraneous funding whatsoever, all travel, all entertainment, anything along those lines. And basically drew it back to salaries, basic maintenance costs, and our share of the utilities in the facility only. So that really cut us back. And now, as we see opportunities come up, we're going to start looking at some streaming series that we can do. A really wonderful partnership that we'll be looking at with the Schubert organization, and we're about to announce that together with a very limited number of theaters in the country. And that's an effort of the industry to keep theaters like ours in business, to keep nonprofit presenting houses like ours in business. So we'll develop that product. We are in a position to continue with our education programs. We can send things virtually to the schools, so we have programs that we developed along those lines, and we'll be in contact with the school board and the school system as they get back into the swing of things with their combined virtual in-person presence in the schools. So we're able to continue a presence there, which is a really good thing for us to do, and I think important for the community.